Hello. I have always admired the mountain peaks, not just for the beauty, but for the way they stand tall despite everything they face the snow, the storms, the isolation. Yet they remain steady, calm, and unmoved. They remind me that peace is not about having a perfect life, it's about standing strong even when everything around you changes. And over time, I have realized there are certain things that I no longer believe in. And these are beliefs that once guided me, but also quietly kept me small. I no longer believe in forcing positivity. You don't have to smile through every storm or pretend you're okay when you're actually not. True strength is not in pretending, it is in allowing yourself to feel the process and then rise again, softer but stronger. Healing does not happen by denying pain, it happens by sitting long enough with it to understand it. I no longer believe in hustling every minute. I used to think that being busy meant being valuable, but now I know rest is also productive. Silence and stillness are not laziness, they are actually the soil where clarity grows. You don't need to chase. Sometimes the best things come to you when you slow down. I no longer believe in seeking validation from others. There is peace in knowing that you can applaud for yourself even when no one else does. When you stop living for approval, you actually start living in alignment with yourself. And that is far, far more valuable and fulfilling than any other compliment or external recognition. I no longer believe in waiting for the right moment. There is no such thing as perfect timing. There is only now. And every time you postpone your dream, waiting for the ideal time, waiting for everything to be fall in place, you are actually giving your fear a stronger voice. Just start. Just start from where you are, however you are, while you are still scared and messy. Just start. I no longer believe in comparing journeys. Everyone blossoms in their own season. Your pace is not slow, it is sacred to you. What is meant for you will not miss you, but it might take some time to find you. I no longer believe that changing means losing yourself. Change is not the end, it is a part of the process, it is evolution. You are allowed to outgrow versions of yourself that no longer fit. You are allowed to begin again as many times as it takes. Unlearning is uncomfortable, but it is also free. It is how you make space for the person that you're meant to become. Like a mountain standing tall through every season, not untouched by change, but shaped beautifully because of it. And remember, the only constant is growth, and you are growing even on the days that it does not feel like it. I hope you have a gentle day. Bye.